Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Jung and I'm the Executive Chef of Retail Dining at the University of Massachusetts at Amherst, and I'm going to show you how to make creme brulee. Local heavy cream right there, some granulated sugar, some egg yolks, and some vanilla extract. All right, so let's grab one of our creme brulees. Let's add just a little bit of sugar here. What we want to do is try to give it just a nice even coating. Okay, and I've got a plumber's torch to help brulee this. Obviously, you don't need a plumber's torch. You can use any of those smaller torches that come in the kits for creme brulee and what have you. All right, and because the torch is pretty powerful, I'm going to be pretty far away from the custard. And what we're trying to do is just trying to melt that sugar gently. You can see how all right. There you go. So hopefully you found this video informative and that you'll try creme brulee at home.